Now I will show you how to change the password to locked and unlocked. So now you see it's unlocked because here you cannot see the symbol of the lock. Okay, now I go to menu. Now I go to the password. Okay, I go to password, and now I added the super password 8421 8 and 4 2 1. Here is unlocked, right? Now I press the setting. So you see, it's locked. Now here is locked because you can see the symbol of the lock. Now I will show you how to change it from lock to unlock. It's same. Now I go to the password, enter the 8 4 2 1. Then now press the setting. You see, now it's unlocked because there's not a symbol of the lock.